Good afternoon. My name is Brad Micklin. My law firm is the Micklin Law Group. We are a boutique law firm concentrated in men's and fathers' rights in divorce, custody, and family law issues, with offices in Nutley and Montclair, New Jersey. Today is March 19th, 2019. We are in New Jersey, as I just mentioned. I'm doing my daily tip, which is where I try to give you a small piece of information on important or significant topics that I see arise in many cases. If you're watching this on any day other than when I'm broadcasting it live or in any other state, you need to make sure that it still applies, has not been changed, and that it applies in your jurisdiction. So let's jump into it. My tip today is about enforcing foreign divorce judgments. And I've done tips on foreign divorce judgments in the past. Most of them surround the difficulties in enforcement, because there's often a lot of challenges. I'm not going to talk about that, obviously, because I have other tips. You can go to my website, micklinlawgroup.com, or my YouTube page, Brad Michael Micklin, for those. Today is simply about enforcing it. So this is assuming that you have a valid foreign judgment from either another state or another country. There is a constitutional principle as well as a state law that allows the out-of-state and out-of-country judgments to be enforced. I'm not going to go into it in depth because it's beyond the scope of a daily tip, but just know that the laws do allow New Jersey to recognize judgments, including divorces, from other states and other countries. You need to file a copy with certain information with the clerk's office in Trenton. Easiest way to find that out is to go online, do a web browser search, just type how to enforce a foreign divorce judgment in New Jersey, and you will find a lot of listings for the information and for the mailing address that's necessary. There's a small filing fee that goes along with it. Once you file that, the court will send you a case number. It would normally be an FM case number, family matrimonial, like you would receive in a divorce case. The docket will represent the new divorce judgment in New Jersey. So when you refer to the case for any kind of enforcement or future proceedings, you would use the New Jersey case number and not the foreign one that you received originally. This is not to say that the issues I raised in my other tips do not apply if you have an out-of-state or out-of-country judgment. It is simply the way to enforce it. It still will need to be determined by New Jersey if it is valid for the reasons that are mentioned in the other tips. But if you have one, that's the process you need to go through to have it filed and enforced. If you find this tip helpful, I'm glad, and I would appreciate if you would give this video a like and share it so that others get to see it. You can subscribe to my page and request notifications so that you'll know when I'm going online. And I usually try to post these every morning or afternoon when I get into the office after court to let you know the times I'm going to be online. So with that, I'm going to sign off. Thank you for joining me, and I will be back tomorrow.